The area where my poultry is sited was hit by a strong natural disaster yesterday. It was breeze accompanied with serious rain. And at the end, this was the outcome. This penthouse collapsed. And in the process, it put down the fence. My neighbor, just outside my compound here, outside my farm, the entire fence is down. The estate sharing fence with me, part of their fence is down. There's a building I'm seeing from far, the roof is off. And then a neighboring poultry, just like 3 plus away from my own farm, is also down. And the painful part is that I had broilers inside here. But good 18. The broilers that were here, I think only 7 died. Because when the rain stopped by 12, we had to, the ones that were just by the side, we are where the 7 dead broilers were located. But the rest, about 200 and something, we are just inside. So this was just on top of them. So we had to open up this place to pack them out. And then we'll transfer them to the other pen house over there. But the problem is that that pen house already has chicks that I'm brooding. So we just had to transfer this adult one to the ending section of the other end of the pen house. So this is the extent of the damage. It's kind of funny, but I'm grateful. I'm really grateful. This is part of my fence. Yeah, so I was saying I'm grateful because when the breeze started, I woke up and you know, the attention was more to the chicks being brooded. So we went there with the farm attendant. We went there to cover up the trampolines over there. And after that, we came over to this particular one now, and we covered the trampolines. About 3 minutes later, I think I suspected I had a sound, so I had to flash torch towards here. And from a distance, this roof was somehow the same height with me because it was meant to be up. So I just knew there was a problem. But why I'm grateful is that at least I finished the operation with the farm attendant, and we were not under there when it happened because he was behind, closing the trampoline behind there, while I was in front, closing the one at front. So this falling now fell to that direction where he was, and even fell the fence down. So what would I have told his family? And yeah, these are the farm dogs. Actually, they were roaming about. But when I came out and saw that the fence was down, I was terribly afraid because who knows where they were. Were they under the blocks that fell down? Or have they seized the opportunity to go out to... They've never been out of the farm perimeter anyway, except once or twice I've taken them for a walk within and around. This is an estate land. Their fence over there too fell down. It's going to cost a lot that we are not part of the budget. Okay, this is a tree. Our sitting spot in the afternoon hours. In fact, we are even doing a little work here because we are welding metal doors for this project over here. Metal doors and burglaries. I think the burglary and the doors were what saved this container, because it's just we use this container to design 1-bedroom apartments. That's room, parlor, veranda, kitchen, toilet, and bedroom. And I guess this was what saved it, because this tree would have been on top of it. And the fence didn't stop here, even behind this penthouse now. The fence over there also fell down. So as I was saying, throughout 12 till now, what's the time now? The time now is 6:45. I've been awake with the farm attendant. My wife was in the farm, so we have all been busy transferring the broilers from there and bringing them to this place, because I'm brooding broilers here. Today is their 10th day, this area of the penthouse, and then gradually I'll be opening it up till they become adults and then take up the full place. But this last area, from the number of broilers I'm raising, they have no business getting to this last area. This used to be a layer pen house that I converted to using them to raise broilers. So the cages were dismantled. And then kept this area of the farm. So in the night, early this morning, we had to transfer them to the middle and then transfer the broilers that survived the collapse. Here they are. Transfer them in here. I'm so much bothered right now, especially for this fence, because it just leaves us exposed. And the fence spanned across 3 plots of land. And it didn't just end there. Oh, I need to be careful. Oh, shit. It didn't just end there. It also came to the back. Okay, the back fell like halfway. The back fell halfway. Up to this point. This way I'm planting 1 or 2 vegetables. I hope the neighbors here don't release their goats to go roam about. This is another building under construction. I think it fell down too. Parts of it fell down. There is a 2-story building school somewhere around there. I've not been there, but the rumor, my neighbor that called said that he saw the roof, 2-story building roof, blocking the road. And I'm grateful that our poultry is not sited within the community, because wow. So these are the things I've done, Sha. I've called the carpenter. I called him around 2 a.m. but he was able to pick the call around 4. And then said he will be coming as early as possible this morning. So probably I'll be waiting for him till around 8. Definitely he will come, because he's the only carpenter who has been doing works for me here. And then we'll patch up and then know how running business is not cheap. There are some things that people don't mention about running business. There is production costs, there is running costs. Running costs is separate. And then there is budget for unforeseen circumstances. This is the fence. The only thing I can just say is thank God nobody was affected. This is estate land. Some of their blocks, their fence is down. Somewhere here. Their fence over here is down. And then some fence across too. I can't zoom up to that level. It is down as well. I'm really grateful, although it pains me that this will be costing a lot to do this in this our economic situation, especially now that the price of cement is not friendly. But one way or the other, miracle will happen. I believe in miracle, it will happen. So around 1, I called my brother. I told him, roof came down. Oh. He left his house immediately, even with that rain. And the nature of the the nature of the ground we have here is not that too friendly for cars. Two, it's kind of I don't know what the soil is called. Is it clay soil? Laterite, yeah, laterite. Somewhere there, crossing that bridge, laterite road, it turns to mud and becomes slippery after serious rainfall. Maybe let's go inside and see how things are in there. We've been there walking since morning. To get the best out, we had to do some basic work by ourselves, lose some of this zinc here, and then enter inside. All those ones inside were okay, but the ones by the side here were the ones that had issue because rain beat them. And apart from that, I think one was totally crushed over here. Thank God it was not human being. This is what inside looks like. It looks like another chamber someone can reside. Yeah, and there's a pipe I need to trace here because the pipe from overhead tank that brought water into this penthouse, it busted. And right now there is no water in the farm because everything leaked out. So I still need to trace that pipe, then install either stopper or bore gauge to off it before I repump water again. What would I have told the families of my farm attendants, especially the one that worked here, the one that covered the trampoline behind while I was covering in front? My story for no interwell, a young guy in this era where, well, it's all good. Maybe when I have my sheets together, I'll visit the other poultry. For now, my sheet is way too high. And the good news is, no one in the poultry had issues. But the bad news is they had broilers about 5 weeks old. And they don't have a second penthouse to transfer. I think there's still chicken inside here. I heard a sound. Yeah. There's still a survivor. See person where they want save. Chicken where they want save. Yeah, I've been here a couple of times between 3 a.m. and now. And each time I come here, I still see a survivor. Maybe this chicken will not go sell him, I will not go kill him. It will become part of the farm. Can I reach it? Yes, I can. Come. I need to go through the farm record to do plus and minus the dead ones, and then go count the ones we transferred because the living ones have not been counted, to then know how many that might probably still be under here, dead or alive. What a night. Even the roof here. Hey, wait here for 10 people parents. But I'm grateful. Oh. I'm grateful because all these damages it will only take time and money. Though the money to do reconstruction is not available right now. But it will take time and money for all this to be fixed. But what would I have told parents about their children? Me that import labor from long distance. My family is stationed in Nasarawa, but I normally import my labor all the way from Bauchi. I beg, make life easy for me. No matter, I can just catch you. See my solar battery. Okay, I need to lose this solar panel. And so when it was 4 a.m., I told the farm attendant to go sleep. My wife is in the farm. I told her also to go sleep. I'm just awake with my brother. The other farm attendants traveled. Thank God they're not around. Let me at least hold this charge controller. The battery must have been damaged. It was even having issues before now. Maybe it's a signal to let go. And then I'll come back later and lose this. There's a lot of disaster in this area. Many houses were affected. So everybody is just quiet in their own angle and then dealing with their own shit. The chicken I saw have gone deep inside. At least I have in mind that one is probably when the carpenter comes, we'll get it out. Where did you go to? I think I'll go for the chicken. Seems she doesn't, or he doesn't know that the sales from it will get us at least a few blocks. Either molding by ourselves or I think it's just making life hard for me. That's one thing with cops. Cops always run away. Just looks like a war-torn place. Okay, just saw another one now. This one was crushed. I think this is part of the intestine out there. Thank God saying a chicken. Oh, thank God saying a chicken. Thank God I was not in here. And no one else was in here. Me that just got married newly. Okay, I have it in mind that there is a chicken here. And probably I might hear another sound in here. Or use this opportunity to trace that pipe. The table carrying it came down entirely. All is well. See the survivor that is hiding away from being saved. At least I still have a gate. Okay, I didn't see this one. Okay, from there. Okay, the church there too. They go there. I don't know, say this guy fence follow, Nyeka. I call him for phone. This is a small paint factory. I know wear shirt. How those people they do their chicken?
Oh, they are doing that. So they are pooping that.
They sit out. All of them enter there. Kai. I know here cannot no say fence follow. On Elu the TV this thing, TV stand. Okay, the major issue here is just that we don't have serious traffic over here. And this is a valley side. Yeah, Kafa. Good morning. Nah, me so side do now. Nah, I need the ABI factory. Nah, your fence yakata. You need to come. Nah, you dey like hello. As in one side halfway, then the other side full way. You do for the other man land after my own fence. Halfway. Then the other side we face that road. We face your neighbor after road. That one for complete. You need to come now. You get machine there now. Make them cover the place. Okay, this is my neighbor's poultry. The entire zinc is on the ground. Good news. Nobody was affected as well. So we have a lot to be grateful for. At least more celebrate life. Then we'll talk about investment later. Definitely money will come. Definitely. Part of the fence came down. And then look at this building here. This 2-story building as well. Okay, 1-story building. The entire zinc came down as well. The blue zinc there. Okay, the day don't break well. This is my elder brother. This is our junior daddy. The person that brought us to the north, my big cousin. So we are estimating how many blocks will enable us fence this place back. Alpha, when I know very so when I go there for chain, as when I no wander out. Yeah, this one for you. Brandy, come. This one for you. I carry my two. Everywhere is just scattered right now. The breeze last night was crazy. This fence was the only fence within this area that we stood, as in the fence down was the only fence that we stood. No area pulled out from it, and I think the only reason is because we capped it. My brother capped this one, but the rest we are not. How many partition now? 6 partition? Jesus. That's from the beginning now.
In case our neighbor may affect. Okay, I'm in capping. In case no position. Can I this guy?
Are you should get here? Well done.
All that para. You came with 9. You can't just my face last week. Ha. Or remove the roof.
Which school? That painted school. Elarins. Can't go negligible first. Fence or priority now.
Jesus Christ.
Fence or priority.
That's what the rain for yesterday.
Not even rain. Rain not even for much. So that breeze.
Oh wow. Maybe
You don't check where on Tuesday. You don't check where on Tuesday.
This side.
I wonder. First you do that.
Go check now. Follow your enter.
Order.
I don't understand. What do you have?
Order. The one facing the hill. The one facing the hill. Order complaint. Order kwasana those gates and doors. But no, you know bend. We're not gonna know until we remove her now. But from eyesight now, nothing damage. Nothing damage. Now fence be the priority. If you see the breeze yesterday, but
No wonder we room cold like this morning. I say,
okay, you never even know say rainfall.
No, that way breeze they blow.
You just sleep. Which side they stay?
There be here. This
The place get traffic now. House is full everywhere now.
that one about
Here now open place now.
If fence can fall like this, but where imagine say how what of this tent? This I'm beside men go plenty to yeah.
But see, you get 2 churches where they here where it's in pool. I know one story building church.
And they check where blocks and one now. Cement they did here of more.
Virtually all of us bought from the same area because all of us did the same.
About cement in a day enough about fence to fall like this, no.
Virtually all of us bought almost from the same area but not be block cause na breeze. We will not discover this thing. Okay, you buy kibugi. Those things in a gallon or diesel or fuel.
Oh, million.
Okay, water. Okay.
Yeah, feta. Kagane po. Yari kana dena kira ka tunji amu kazomu kwashi. Kagane. Well, ase ikasheni le muna zona kaka. Kapa. Yazo waya se le ko ya pushe bo gallon ko.
No, the gallon then day. When I've been seeing my things in a diesel.
So na water.
Okay.
And the man no come yesterday. Now who live on the go.
Carpenter boss since before I'm not me job now. Now come out to from sun. But when I go day chain throughout till this fence to come up. You guys go day chain throughout till the fence come up. I can't risk you guys running off. And this is the only thing making me happy right now, my beautiful wife. Chai, see how son they beat you. No verse, eh? Oh, beware. Hello. At the video camera, the video now, eh?
Okay, certainly. Oh, get away.
I want to go. Oh, man, the partition will count loud. Don't count reach. The other side is 6. Here na 13. Here na 13. Yeah, the welder. No, the welder. Hmm? No, I don't finish outside the door. Them. About 6 or so. 6 this side. Then this side go round. We'll count like 15. And each partition will be in a span or length of 7 blocks, according to Oteshi.
Okay. It's 4 times 15.
Okay, this is where the pipe busted. Yeah, coming from overhead tank. So I'll just use this ball gauge to. I still need a connector to put somewhere here and then lock it. If I can be able to pump out again. Yeah, I will tell you a story of the construction of the other poultry house. Probably I will be sharing the videos because it was done with pipes and it cost a lot of money then. The engineer said we should just close our eyes and do it, not minding the costs, because here was a low traffic zone. Meaning that a time like this, it will not be affected. And I'm going to be calling the engineer this morning to even thank him. Out here, I'm the plumber. I'm also the electrician. For some certain things, yeah. The only thing I don't do in my farm is to do the carpentry stuff. The plumber and electrician for small stuff, so not.
How about the beer? Last 2 Sundays I made a celebration.
As in a housewarming?
Yes. They are okay. You know, greet me.
Sunday afternoon.
Honestly.
So those people just 1 month can pack into their house?
It could be that cave, boy.
Or upstairs?
Upstairs. Put the one.
Yeah, go carry them under the mango tree now.
The man, after
but no casualty now. We are good. No, video from amendments of that poultry, the last zinc sheet not there. Now we call you first. I call you by 4. I'm going by 2 a.m. Say.
Yes.
Hey, you been to sleep. As I know this thing, I know say this thing affects many people. So. It's the area in the zinc that needs amendments for this penthouse. That's the only place it was affected. These are the survivors from the crash. I don't normally subscribe to this, but at this point we have no choice. We are raising another base here. That's the ones that I'm brooding. But we just had to pick these ones that survived and bring all of them inside. Majority of them were just wet last night from the rain. Okay, the carpenter is here already. Where that thing press on top? That one where the zinc press on top? If you bring them out. And address this one, may my brother go give that guy, Jude. Dress this one where my brother bring out. Make him go give that guy we get dog. That one where they there, when they lose them, we'll go cook them for the dogs here. The breeze kind of scattered the entire premises. Everywhere just feels messed up. And these are the main owners of this penthouse at the moment, at least for 6 weeks. I have a lot of work to do today. A lot. God bless you. Are they possible you match in the river? Are they possible you match in the river? As in maybe a man like frame or that place, he make it or something. Eh? This one go home. Look at this place, and what's it you could share? Eba your leg in or no? This place now. I think breeze nation about my inside. Star boy. Star boy. This one good, ba?
I don't want to bring this one. I keep this one on top under my bed.
Collect.
You get this one.
You didn't sell my bra boot. What I go down enter enough now. Muna off gen. Carbon you go to gen for now. Carbon you go to gen for now.
Why?
Okay, you can take pump from middle inside. Come with a new pipe now. Star boy, you there for front of your room. Where the carry and go? Oh, they do what they are now.